There are so many things that could be so annoying while you're using an Android device, and the biggest one of them all is pop-up ads. They just take over your phone and block your screen. They waste your data and even drain your battery. Well, today I'll be showing you 6 easy ways you can apply to stop pop-up ads from disturbing your user experience on an Android device or any device. If you can follow through this process, you'll be done with ads for real. Hello everyone, welcome back to Mobile Tech Know-how. Today I'll be showing you 6 steps you can apply to get rid of mobile pop-ups and ads popping up on your phone. Just follow through these simple steps. The first one I'll be showing you is in your settings. Go to settings. Now come to Google, and on Google you click on manage accounts. Now come to data and privacy, then scroll down to where you have personalized ads. You can see here, this is where you can turn off your personalized ads. These ads are ads that come up through your browser experience, user experience, the apps that you use, the searches you make on Google, on some websites. Google uses these searches to give you ads that might interest you. So you can turn off personalized ads from this section. Right now mine is off, so click on it and give it some time to load. And here you go, personalized ads. You can click on this and you can turn it back on, but mine is already off, so I wouldn't want to turn it back on. So let's go back. The second step we'll be doing is going back, then still click on Google again. Then down here you can see ads. You can see ads here. So click on ads, and when you come here initially, you will see two things. You see delete advertising ID and you see reset advertising ID. Right now I've deleted my own, that's why you're seeing get new advertising ID right here. So what you will do is delete advertising ID. Delete it, and that's the second step will be completed. Now, having done this, for the third step, I'll be giving a very quick advice. The third step seems to be very strict, and if you apply the third step, some browsers or some websites that run ads a lot, that pops up ads a lot on your screen, they will refuse to work properly. And I know of a website where I download movies from. Mainly I use this third step I'm going to show you now. The website stopped working properly, so it depends on how you want to use them. You can decide to set this particular method on, and anytime you wish to switch off, you can switch it off. So let's not disturb your browsing experience. So that's just what you should know. So let's go to our settings once again. Now on settings, you come to the search bar and type DNS. Search for DNS and give it some time to load. And you see private DNS, click on it. And you see private DNS again, click on it. Now mine is switched off right now. I do toggle between off and on, so if I want to put it back on now, click on private DNS. Then you see this on this section, type dns.adguard.com. I go again, dns.adguard.com. so this is what I'm telling you about. If I click save right now, you see that my DNS is turned on. It's on dns.adguard.com. so this is what I'm telling you about. You can decide to switch on and off depending on when you want to visit some certain sites that run ads a lot. So that's the third step I will show you now. If you can apply these steps properly, you would not be having any issue with ads on your phone anymore. I'm going to try to show you something now on my Truecaller app. Basically, I get to get ads here a lot. This section used to be for ads, but since I turned off my ads, they cannot show me ads here right anymore. So the ads are completely turned off. So if you can apply the process I just showed you now, you'll see that your ads are turned off. This is this. So the next thing we'll be doing now is our bonus tip is going to our Chrome, which will be the fourth step I will show you right now. In your Chrome, you have to come over to come down here and click on settings. Click on settings right here, then click on it, and the next thing you want to go to is to turn off pop-up ads. Go to site settings, go to site settings and come over to pop-up and redirect, this guy here. So let's click on it. Right now mine is off, so you can turn it on. That means pop-up and redirects are allowed, so I would like to switch it off, so keep it off. So right now I won't be having pop-up or redirect from any website I visit. So the next one I want to show you is, which is the fifth one, is to turn off intrusive ads. This guy, turn off intrusive ads. So click on it. So right now mine is off. It says ads are blocked on site known to show intrusive or misleading ads. So it's also turned off. So turn that off for your Chrome. Then the fifth thing you want to do is to block third-party cookies, which is this guy here. Make sure you do that. Block all third-party cookies. So you have allowed third-party cookies, block third-party cookies in incognito mode, and block third-party cookies. This is to block all third-party cookies that tend to pop up ads on your screen while you're browsing. So that is for the fifth step. Now the last step I want to show you. If I haven't applied these 5 steps I've showed you, you still get to have ads popping up on your screen. That means you have a virus installed in your phone. And most times viruses come to our phones through the apps that we download, mostly from sites that are not secured other than Play Store. So what we want to do now is head over to our settings on our phone once again. Settings, and come over to app management. Mine is app management. Yours might be app manager. Click on app management and come to app settings. Now I want to show you this. How do you identify a virus on your phone? It's 2 easy ways. One, you see every app here has a name and an icon, but a virus on your phone will either have just a name without an icon or an icon without a name. I go again. Viruses, they have icons without names or names without icons. So you have to identify any app like that has an icon without a name or a name without an icon on your phone app list, and you delete such apps. Okay, right now mine has nothing like that here, so mine is free of viruses, but you might want to check your own to know if a virus has been installed unknowingly through apps that you downloaded on your phone. So if you can apply all the steps that I've shown you, you can do well to say that you have completely got yourself rid of any pop-up ads that will be affecting your user experience while you browse through your phone or while you use your Android device. So that is it for this video. I know you've learned from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe And please like this video, share to your friends, share to your loved ones, so that they can also enjoy this great content you've enjoyed. Thank you very much and have a very wonderful day.